Okay, I think this is recording. So my name is Colin O'Shea. Today I'll be walking you through the article views insights component. This is the component over here on the right hand side. So just a little background on this. This is a very simple component. The idea of it is to simply track which knowledge articles that a customer is viewing from the community. It should tell you which articles they viewed, how many times they viewed them, and when they last viewed them. The idea behind using this component is maybe for an example would be service agents. So if a service agent is helping a customer with a case, they can view which knowledge articles the customers view to try sort their case themselves so that they're not providing information the customer's already seen back to them. Or possibly with sales, if a customer is viewing an article on a product they haven't bought yet, and if they view that article 10 times, then there's a good logic that they are interested in that product and that you can see how many times they're viewing it, maybe get in contact with them. So if we actually just look at the component over here on the right, and if I expand this a little, we can see that this test contact 1 has viewed two knowledge articles. So they viewed the test article type test 2, that was the last one they viewed, and the previous one they viewed before that was the knowledge test 1. So if I jump over to my community, and you'll notice I'm logged in as the test contact 1 user, and I'm just going to view this knowledge test 1 article a couple of times, and I'm going to refresh my component. So this time around the knowledge test 1 is at the top, so it's the most recently viewed article, and we can see they viewed it 9 times. The last viewed date is updated, so we can tell exactly when they were viewing it. And yeah, so although they viewed it 9 times here, if I come back in and I'll give it one more view, load the page once more, and refresh. So now they've viewed it 10 times. So now that they've viewed it 10 times, I actually use Process Builder. So Process Builder is a big part, or can be a big part for this component, because what you can do is you can put logic in to say, once a customer has viewed a certain article a certain amount of times, to do something. So in this instance, I'm creating a task. I'm assigning the task to myself, and I'm just telling myself to maybe get in contact with that customer. So if I go into my tasks, if I refresh them, cool. So we have seen that the article has been viewed 10 times, and I have my information over here, as well as the contact to get in contact with. So that's it. Very simple component, but I think a handy one. Thank you.